Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable scene describer to capture a scene and hear a description of it on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen, and then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. Next, go down and tap on accessibility, then tap on advanced settings. In advanced settings, go down and tap on Bixby Vision for accessibility, and then tap on Scene Describer. Now once it is switched on, we can test it out. So in order for you to use it, all you have to do is open up the camera app, then tap on the More button. So tap on More, and then tap on Bixby Vision at the top here.
Tap the capture button to capture
and then
a scene
just
and hear a
point at an
description of
object,
it.
and then tap on the capture button. And then we just wait for the phone to analyze the image, and then it will describe to you what it is.
A close-up of a computer mouse.
So that's not very accurate because we kind of like lose focus on it. So let's just try it again.
Tap the capture button to capture a scene and hear a
So
description
make sure you
of
have a
it.
good focus on the object first before we capture it. So just trying to get a good focus. So here it is. Let's hear a description. So it's taking some time to
A
analyze.
cell phone on a table.
So it says cell phone on a table. So how about another one right here?
Tap the capture button to capture.
Okay, so I've just captured this
A
keyboard.
black and white electronic device.
So it's a black and white electronic device. So we can try again.
Tap the capture button to capture a scene and hear a description of it.
Sometimes it's not always
A black
accurate.
and white piano.
So it's a black and white piano. So sometimes it's not always accurate, but if you can try to take the photo again, perhaps it can give you a better description. And that's it.
Tap the capture.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.